Oh, found the goings, did ya? I'm just gonna pull the rope up the tree now. That'll do. That'll do, pig.
That'll do?
Mm-hmm.
You forget how to be in here?
You want me?
Yeah, seriously? Yeah. Where's Ruby? Ruby! Ruby! Ruby, come. What? What?
Dawn, I thought you were gone.
Well then, you know, like, okay, I just got a bitch for a second. He fucking opens up his window every other goddamn time for no reason. Sticks his fucking nose
into
everything for no reason. But you know, we're fucking screaming bloody murder for the dog. And he can't be bothered, you know? Sorry.
I hear ya.
Good job, honey.
See, winches are useful for many things.
Yeah, I don't know how to use mine.
Well, why didn't you come out? I'll give you a lesson.
Because you tell me that you're going to give me a lesson every time I see you, and then I don't give a lesson.
Oh yeah, but I was just using it and you didn't come out.
Well, because I didn't realize that that's what you were doing until you were pretty much done.
I got you.
I wasn't sure what you were doing, because I asked you what was going on, and you were like, just a minute, and then...
Oh, did I say that? I'm sorry.
That's okay.
It's not fair. Would you please? Oh.
Better?
I'm out here for the day, I tell you. Jesus. Oh, crazy! Yeah, no.
I was gonna say, my guess is that too.
That's not too long a hike, though.
No.
Do you want to do it?
Not today.
Oh, okay.
Well, it's already 1:30.
Yeah, you're
By
right.
the time we get back, it's gonna be already 3 o'clock. Whoa! Hey, Ruby. No, Ruby.
You're going to turn around and I'll follow you out, okay?
Definitely don't get too close to that edge, hey?
No, I won't. I'm going to pull up just a teeny bit more.
Yeah, because
There's
that's...
Dale room to turn around.
That was sloughing even when Ruby stepped on it. Not trying to tell you how to live your life or anything. But
if we went fast enough, we could probably get to that sandbar.
Probably not.
I'm coming back.
He'll come back and we'll walk him back. I would like to see what that is there.
Yeah.
I bet you people live there at one point.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. I would like to, I'd like to, you know, maybe come back even with like a trowel or something, you know, so we could find some arrowheads or something like that.
Yeah.
Now that I know this is, this road, this trail. Wish it would just take off.
Why?
You know, stay together.
He's always been like that though. He literally left you guys out in the woods. He denies it every time, but I just think I was in your guys' legs when he did that. Because I was like, where the fuck are the boys? And he was like, I don't know.
Jesus, what are you driving so fast for? Thank you for coming with me on this adventure today.
No problem. Thank you for bringing me.
I'm sorry we didn't actually get to see any of my destinations.
No, it's good. I'll have to find it so that we can come back out and maybe like...
Well, there's that campsite up the road, right?
Yeah.
So we can come out on like Friday, camp, pack up the Jeep, drive all the way down here, and then we could be down there, like if we started at 7 a.m, we'd be down there by this trail like 9, 9:30, and then we could hike in, right? And
out of the way.
Oh yeah. Well, that little block probably weighs like 1,000 pounds at most, right?
How much not coming out if there's a window there?
She dumb. She dumb. Just gonna have to vinyl line this bitch one day. No, I'm serious. I think I will.
Nothing with its own problems, but yes, you could.
Why does it have its own problems?
Because if you get any sort of scrape or gouge in it, you have to redo
The whole panel?
The whole thing.
Ugh.
And the likelihood of it ever going to match again, if you have to have any part of it redone,
It's 0 to 9 because it'll all be the one color that goes on, right?
well, it just, all that stuff is,
Like a paint one at a time. Like there's no code.
Yeah, it's like, you know how sometimes you get fabric and and you're pre-warned that you have to order it all at the same time, like when if you get like a couch set, because
it may not be
the likelihood of it being the same
fabric or the paint same. Like,
is slim to none.
Jesus, Dale. You know, I do know I'm going to have this thing for like 15 fucking years.
Yes, you should.
Probably have it just as long as I had my last my neon, and that was like forever. Fucking beavers. Stay to this side. Busy little bastards.
When are you gonna take time away from work?
Whatever. I've got two. I gotta do my half report. I gotta do the 13 home renovation report, and then kind of get the ball rolling on a bunch of little projects, and then I'll be kind of like 100% caught up. But I mean, now that I've got the, well, I'm not to go to Kelowna on a meeting next week. I don't know. Oh shit.
Are you driving to Kelowna?
I might. I don't know. Depends what the weather's gonna be like.
They haven't booked a flight for you yet?
No.
So then how else did you get to Kelowna?
Well, I can book a flight for, like within a couple days.
Yeah, but aren't you leaving on like Wednesday?
Yeah, on evening on the 19th, so I'll probably book a flight tomorrow, on Monday. Just hop down to Kelowna quick. I'll swing by Freeport while I'm down there. Where are you doing? Why are you doing that, Sarah?
Well, just let him go and you can see.
Well, that didn't look too bad, did it? Like, wait for me to get through the obstacle too. Yeah. You're good, you're good.
Watch those logs, hey?
Yeah.
You see that?
Yeah, I see it.
Very nice.
What's that?
Very nice.
Thank you, thank you. There are some freaking deep holes on this little trail.
What are you guys doing for lunch? Anything special now?
I'm like, I don't know, probably meat and veggie or something, meat and egg. I'm trying to, like I said, steer clear of the bread, the pastas, all that kind of stuff right now. Like a little bit of a variation of the carnivore diet where I'm trying to eat more protein and less shit. Sounds so good. Another thing, I might order up an order of hot and sour soup or something like that, you know.
So if
Veggies and tofu.
If there's one piece of advice that I can give you from my own experience and from many things that I've read, it is unhealthy to completely cut certain things out of your diet or not allow yourself to have them. Because what ends up happening is that if you cut certain things that you want on a regular basis, then what ends up happening is when you do end up having it, you end up gorging yourself on it, right? So I understand you not wanting to eat a lot of like breads and stuff like that.
But I'm doing it in like, you know, gradually, right? Like I saw breads and things like that shit. I was eating cheesies today.
Yeah, but the point that I'm trying to get at is that you still need to allow yourself to have those things and not just like a small little handful. Have a sandwich once a week.
Oh, okay.
Have a bowl of pasta once a week. Just don't eat pasta every single night. Right?
Yeah.
But you still need carbohydrates in your diet, and especially for someone like you who has your body only, like, you're not used to eating just like a low carb diet right now, so your body will want those carbs, right? So you're gonna have to gradually pull yourself into something like that.
Yeah, I am. I'm trying to do it gradually.